be very surprised.
Whoa. So, what does he do?
He's got a potato van.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's nice to see you happy, Rach. I only wish Debs was here to see you settled.
Thanks, Grandad.
Tony, Rach, Dylan, Lorna. Something incredible's happened. I have an announcement to make. Tony, this cat, Mrs. Floxy, is the reincarnated form of your dead wife, Deborah.
Ta-da! Is everything all right?
Well, Cuckoo thinks the cat is my mum.
What? Why?
I can't explain it, Ken. I just feel it.
Look, Tony.
No, Ken, it makes sense. I remember the day Floxy first came to see me. It was back in late February. Deborah's birthday is in March.
No shit.
That's not that much of a coincidence, Dad. Yeah, but didn't Nan love cats?
Yep, it's all coming together. And look, about as similar as a cat and a woman can be.
God, you're right.
Okay. Cuckoo, this is a fun idea, but I think it's pretty unlikely that that cat is Grandma.
Unlikely, Ken, but not impossible.
Well, kind of impossible, yes. I mean, is there any proof?
It's like I said, I just feel it.
You feel it?
Yes, if only there was a way of us knowing for sure.
Honored feline, if you truly contain the spirit of our beloved Deborah, then please drink from the left saucer. And if you do not, then drink of the right.
And this will prove what?
It's a scientific test, Ken.
It's not, Cuckoo. It's a wholly random experiment. The cat can't read.
Yeah, but Deborah could. Come on, give me a little bit of credit here, Ken. Okay, Tony, will you please release the cat/Deborah? Oh, wow. Oh, there were doubters, but now we all see the truth. Don't we?
She's come back to me, Ken. Deborah's come back to me in the form of a cat.
I did it.